Unveiling the mystery. Understanding, don't be mysterious. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have come across. Don't be mysterious. It's a phrase that packs a lot of meaning and nuance, and understanding it can really help you in both casual and formal conversations. So, let's unlock the mystery together. When someone tells you, "Don't be mysterious," they're essentially asking you not to be vague or secretive. It's often used in situations where clarity and openness are needed. The phrase encourages transparency and discourages withholding information or being enigmatic. Understanding the context in which it's used can help you grasp the full meaning and respond appropriately. This phrase can be used in a variety of contexts. For instance, in personal conversations, if someone feels you're not sharing enough details about an event or your feelings. In professional settings, when clarity is needed regarding a project or task. Using "don't be mysterious" is a friendly way to prompt someone for more information without being too direct or forceful. It's all about fostering an environment where everyone feels comfortable sharing. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase can be woven into daily interactions. 1. Friendship scenario. Your friend keeps hinting about a surprise but won't give details. You might say, "Come on, don't be mysterious. Tell me what you're planning." 2. Workplace scenario. A colleague mentions a new initiative but leaves out the specifics. You could say, "I'm intrigued, but don't be mysterious. Can you share more about it?" These examples highlight the phrase's versatility and its role in promoting transparency. Understanding the phrase, "Don't be mysterious," and knowing when to use it can greatly enhance your communication skills in English. It's all about encouraging openness and clarity in conversations. We hope this video has shed some light on this intriguing phrase. Remember, the beauty of language learning is in unlocking these little mysteries one phrase at a time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video. Feel free to share your thoughts or any questions you might have in the comments below. Happy learning!